Hello, everyone. My name is Blue. I am happy you are here today. Many English learners feel sad when they cannot speak English well. They study many hours. They know many words. But when they talk to people, they stop. They cannot speak. Do you feel this way? It is okay to feel this way. You are not alone. Let's talk about learning English. Often we learn from books. We read words. We do exercises. This is good for learning rules, but real life is different. In real life, people talk fast. They use sounds that are not always clear. They ask questions you do not expect. Books teach you words. Real life needs you to use words fast. Let me tell you a story about me. This happened in Brazil. I had studied Portuguese. I felt good about the words I knew. I thought, I can speak Portuguese. Then I went to Brazil. I arrived at the airport. My phone had no battery. I could not use an app to call a taxi, so I walked to a taxi driver. I wanted to ask for a taxi. I knew each word, but putting the words together to make a full sentence, I stopped. I could not speak. I felt very bad. All those hours of studying seemed to go to waste. I could not even ask for a taxi. That day, I understood one big thing. Learning English for real talking is very important. Learning from books is good, but you need to practice talking. If you learn English and often feel stuck when you talk, I understand you completely. It is a common problem. That is why I want to show you an English learning app. This app helps you practice real-life talks. It helps you so you will not stop when you speak. The app is called Spoky. Spoky can help you practice real-life situations. It has a learning path. This path helps you learn for real-life talks. For example, it helps with travel or daily talks. Let's look at it. First, choose a situation. Let's choose hotel check-in. You can practice what to say at a hotel. The app gives you a role. Let's say I am the guest. The app is the hotel staff. Listen to this word, reservation. It means you booked a room. Yes, I have a reservation. Now you can repeat after me. Try to say it like me. Yes, I have a reservation. I would like to check in. This means you want to get your room key. Spokey helps you. It listens to you. It shows your mistakes. It suggests better ways to say things. This helps you speak well. Next, let's try AI free talk. This is like talking to a real person. You can talk about anything. Spokey's AI listens and talks back to you. I like going out with my friends. I also like making crafts. It asks, what kind of crafts do you like to make? I paint. I also make candles. It asks, what colors do you like to use the most when you paint? I like bright colors and also watercolor paint. See? It shows my mistakes. It suggests good ways to say things. I can also see the translation of words if I need help. This helps me learn every day. Spokey helps you practice talking. It helps you get ready for real life. It makes you feel good about your English. You can practice speaking every day. Now, let's practice together. This is shadowing practice. To shadow means to repeat. I will be blue and you will be red. Say my words after me. Try to speak like me. Ready? Hello, how are you? I am a little tired. I did not sleep much last night. My upstairs neighbor had loud music all night long. Yes, he had friends over. I know. Who has a party on a Tuesday night? This is a weekday. Really, the music was so loud it was not nice. No, I was too tired to do anything about it. I put a pillow over my head. I tried to sleep. I know, I really need my sleep. I get angry when I do not sleep. Yes, I think I will talk to him. I hope tonight will be quiet. Anyway, how was your weekend? No way! You have loud neighbors too? Nice! Where did you go? That sounds fun. Was it many people there? Good. I do not like it when there are too many people. What did you guys do there? Sounds nice. What did you bring for the picnic? I love that. Simple but perfect. Was the weather good? Lucky you. It was very cold last night for me. I opened the window to get fresh air. I wanted a break from the noise upstairs. Not really, but at least I tried. Exactly. So, did you stay out late at the beach? Yeah, not too late. That is a good idea. Good thinking. Mondays can be hard. Did you take any pictures? Send them to me so I can see. I am so happy for you. I love sunsets. I know. I should. I will. Exactly. No more loud neighbors for us. Honestly, weekends go by so fast. It does, but at least you had a good time. That is what matters. So, what will you do next weekend? Oh, nice. Will you stay for many days? That sounds lovely. Will you drive there? Smart choice. Will you do anything special with them? Remember, people who speak English well often say gonna instead of going to. What are you gonna have for dinner? Nice, sounds lovely. Cooked at home, even better. Will you relax too? Good idea. I need to relax too after the whole loud neighbor problem. Will you see any friends while you are there? Nice. It is always good to talk to friends. How long has it been since you saw them last? It is hard to find time to see friends. I agree. I love weekends like that, simple and calm. I'm probably staying home next weekend. I need to stay home. I need to make my life neat. I need to do many things. I have not done much work lately. Exactly. I wait to do things a lot. I know, not very exciting, but I need to do it. I am also going to cook food for the week. This sounds boring, but for me it is very exciting. I am trying to be better this year. Yes, it will be a weekend with much work, I hope. This was shadowing practice for beginners. Thank you for talking to me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stop just learning English and start living it. Download Spoky through the link in the description and do not forget to hit subscribe on White Eagle for more practical English tips.